Hello everyone, welcome back. So today is a very special day. Today it is Kayla's 6th birthday. She got a fingerling. So today she wants to go get her ears pierced for her birthday. She had her ears pierced when she was an infant, and then she ripped them out of her ear. That was a bloody mess. And then she didn't want to have it done for the longest time, and for today she decided that that's what she wants for her birthday, is to get her ears pierced. So we are going to go to the mall and go get that done. We'll see how that goes. So we figured we would take you along to, hi, what's her name? Her name is Stella. Hi, Stella. So yeah, so I figured we would take you guys along to go. It's a blue. It's navy blue.
It's navy blue.
It's a navy blue dress. Very special dress, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll take you guys along to go get her ears pierced. All right.
Bye. I love you.
Bye, Stella. All right, she picked out her earrings for summer.
Are you excited? Don't be nervous.
She got a little pair of butterfly earrings and little diamonds that she's going to get them pierced with.
Those are your butterfly earrings. Oh, they're going to put my butterfly.
No, they're going to put the diamond in your ear.
Oh.
Yeah, and then these are for when your ear heals. You're gonna then you can put those on. Okay.
Oh yeah, this is on Tasha, just in case you don't.
Hold on.
Just in case you recognize her. She has a YouTube channel.
Shush, I want to get this whole thing in.
I'm just gonna draw some dots. Okay.
Hold on, Mac. It's okay. You're fine.
Yeah. Yeah. They weren't very.
I might go down, so wish me luck.
Over here on the side. Look at me.
That's it. That's it.
See? See?
Look how cute. It's okay. I know it's gonna hurt. Look. It's all done. I know, baby. It's okay. It's just gonna. It's all done.
Get away.
It's okay. Now we go get ice cream.
You are so good.
Let's go to the food court.
Huh?
Let's go to the
You gotta put this on you. They gotta be very nice to you today.
Yes.
Can I put that on you?
Put it on your shirt.
No, not right now.
No.
You don't like me anymore. Sorry.
It's okay, honey.
Oh, so
Huh?
you hate stickers? Oh.
I don't know.
No,
She's not a sticker girl.
she likes it.
Mom can put it somewhere in your room.
Yeah? How about that?
Yeah, she has a lot of stuff.
Okay. Let me see the sticker. I just got my ears pierced. Your first pedicure. Yay! Hi. Kayla, look at you. Manicure and pedicure time. Okay. You like it? Yeah. You're so pretty.